Okay guys, so this is the Ubiquiti Unifi ap-ac-lite. So this is a smaller version of the UC-AP Pro. So I've actually also got the UC-AP Pro wireless access point as well, which I've reviewed on my channel as part of my my Ubiquiti network upgrade project. So if you are looking for other Unifi unboxing videos, please also subscribe to my channel, go and check those out. I've got many more videos to do on this network upgrade project, where I'll be showing you various other things such as setting up the Unifi controller on Docker or Unraid, etc. But anyway, let's see what we get in the Unifi ap-ac-lite package. So I bought this from Amazon. I've bought a couple of these access points. I've actually noticed that the actual this sort of paper seal here is actually broken and it's been restuck. The good news is I think that's probably because they've actually swapped the power adapter. Let's take a look what's on the box. So first of all, obviously that's the front of the box. Just some sort of mono design, I guess you want to call that. Just some white lines really. On the side we've got the product name ap-ac-lite. Underneath, again, we've just got some markings here. So the sort of electrical certifications, ROHS, the recyclable packaging, etc. So it's top of the box, and on the side here we've got the normal. We've got the sticker of authenticity from Ubiquiti, the model number, some kind of barcodes, maybe a serial number, and a test date. So this particular unit was tested on the 8th of March 2020. So yeah, this is American date format. So this particular unit was obviously manufactured quite a while ago in comparison to the other units that I've purchased and have been recently reviewing on the channel. But anyway, we've got the QC pass sticker here, and it's saying that this is the EU model. So anyway, let's get this box open. Obviously very similar packaging to the ac-ap Pro. We've got this styrofoam thing here. We've got the wall mount kit here. Yeah, okay, so that appears to be why they have actually opened up this particular box. So we have got the British version of the plug here, which is great. It's got this, this 3-pin connector at the other end. We have the Power Ethernet injector. Just open that, have a quick look at that. There you go, 24 volt Power Ethernet injector there. So obviously your LAN would come in here and then out to the device, such as obviously the access point in this case. You'd then plug the Cat6 cable or Cat3 cable you're using from here. So the power over Ethernet would get injected at this point and carried to your device there. See, that's where the power cable goes in. Let's take a look. Okay, that's everything that's in the box. So we've got the metal ceiling or wall mounting bracket here. Just like the Pro version of this wireless access point. So here we go. And now for the main attraction. This is the ac-ap-lite. Okay, so immediately I've noticed that the actual mounting bracket is much smaller than the ac-ap Pro. Again, like I mentioned in my other video on the ac-ap Pro, we've got this little clip here. So to dismount the access point from the mounting plate, we have to lift this little tab up here and twist it over this latch. And then once that's done, you should be able to remove, oh sorry, that's obviously the unlock position. You'll be able to remove that surface mounting plate. Very different actually from the Pro version. We've only got one RJ45 port here. and we've got the factory reset button. Apart from that, we've got other information such as the model number, so the ap-ac-lite, the model number, the input voltage and frequencies, etc. So this is 24 volt input, 0.5 amps, gigabit PoE, and it says it's 802 AF PoE. Inside this ring there is actually a blue LED which denotes the status of the wireless access point. When the access point is initializing, it will actually flash or pulse, and then when it is fully configured and set up, it will be a steady ring around this logo here. So this particular wireless access point I've purchased for my office in my garage, which is where I'm filming in now. I have bought the larger version of that, which is the AC-ap Pro, which I'll just get you now for size comparison. So this one here is the AC-ap Pro. As you can see, size-wise, the AC-ap Pro is much larger than the AC-ap-lite, which obviously I'm assuming you would expect. But I've not really had any hands-on experience with these two devices as yet. I'm really looking forward to having them set up and configured inside my Unifi controller. This particular unit will be used for powering and providing wireless access to my house and my family inside the main house, and this one here will be for my office space, which normally just consists of my laptop, my iPhone, and a few other wireless devices that whilst I'm testing or trying out different things, that's what that's used for. So I think that is still massively overkill for what I personally need. This one here, having read the reviews, the AP Pro is just fantastic at providing wireless access over an entire household. Let's put that to one side again. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please be aware that I'm also recording many other videos and unboxing videos of Unifi equipment. I'm currently going through a network upgrade at my house and my home office. So there's lots of videos now on my YouTube channel with unboxings of particularly Unifi equipment and installation videos of me setting those up. So if you did like the video, please subscribe and hit the bell notification to be notified of more videos in future.